You need, girl, give me that thing, give me that thing. You stacking rocks, now depend on me, girl, give me that thing, give me that thing. You living life happy and carefree, girl, give me that thing, give me that thing. I'll take you high to paradise. You know that I will sacrifice. I'll treat you right, so come be mine. I'll raise your price and change your life. Hey! There you go. Hi! Okay, so we just finished recording session. It was indeed long, very tiring. Yes. But it was cool. It was a good experience. Learned a lot. And next time, what have you learned? It's gonna be much better. Yes, for sure. Definitely for sure. Hopefully. 100%. I thought I was gonna do an album in one day. Finish all these songs one time. And didn't realize I can't talk. And so Mohammed is driving. Almost finished me. Right here. Seatbelt first. You see, I have my seatbelt on. I'm always a secure motherfucker. Don't worry. You got it. I like this though. I can do this. Oh, I just gotta learn how to like hammer properly.
Sometimes I wake up before sunrise and I see her 7 with an innocent smiling at a cup of hot tea, training my mind not to remember the things that hurt me. Do they feel like they got free? Do they ever say sorry? Everyone longs to be known fully and be received. Everyone's gotta keep growing, gotta breathe, yeah.
So why don't you guys want to go out early, man?
Earlier? Why you want to go early?
Why not?
Because
it's so easy. Always leave a nap. What? 5:30. 5:30? 6:30. Now it's 7.
It never went up. Well, I told you 5:30.
It kept going up. David says 5:30. August says.
And we're in the sex dungeon.
What?
We all brought the water bottle, and he's gonna take 2 scoops. 2 scoops, and with those sandals.
It's not enough, huh? It's not enough, but we're gonna measure to like right here. So, I'm looking at home. I like to get What's the EDM? EDM?
Feeling good, man. Feeling good.
Hotel.
You don't want me on your turn?
Your turn.
Of the pain, you try again, standing up after you fall. So let it rain and leave your chains. 'Cause being brave is letting love win after all. And in a way of the pain, you try again, standing up after you fall. So let it rain and leave your chains. 'Cause being brave is letting love win after all. Living in an airplane, drink cucumber, be popular. And did it really happen if you can't capture the picture? Who the hell taught us that we kinda don't matter if we lose the world's attention? Do we feel like that's okay? Do we see a better way? And in the wake of the pain, you try again, standing up after you fall. So let it rain and leave your chains. 'Cause being brave is letting love win after all. And in the wake of the pain, you try again, standing up after you fall. So let it rain and leave your chains.
I'm just telling you, fans.
What do you want?
Yo, tell him to wash his hair once in a while.
Why are you talking to me?
Yeah, you.
What did I do to you?
Yo, show him his hair. Show him.
You need to send me a camera and buy Alma's phone. That's what you need to do.
Yo, his iPhone is trash.
Excuse me?
Sorry.
I just beat you.
No, you didn't.
Yo, literally, this reflection looks like I have a sun on the camera. I'm like,
Son is Milan.
I'm recording. Go.
What are you talking about?
It makes sense.
Like this in the No, stop sleeping. He's okay now.
He's like, what did I ever do to you?
Yo, he's standing outside with the stick.
Wait, he dissed me one day, right? Probably the first time I came here. Yeah.
I was acting on my Mila's car one day.
He took a snapshot of her, by the way. and posted it.
Yeah, we told him we all.
Training my mind not to remember.